Back in October, the food bank of the RGV began virtual nutrition classes.
Because we have food pantries in the district, Gladys Chapa and Yvonne Lomeli, that are nutrition educators with the food bank, reached out to me and asked if we wanted to participate in the nutrition classes that they were offering.
It's all part of educating parents on healthy living and eating.
I think it's so important that they're teaching us just how to eat healthier. Especially right now that we're home more, or the families are home more. We want to make sure that they're exercising, that they're getting up to walk, but that they're also eating healthy.
A nutrition educator teaches a recipe in both English and Spanish. Classes are held via Microsoft Teams.
A lot of the recipes that they're creating, we have a lot of the food and the ingredients at home. And so they just teach us how to use ingredients that are healthier, and they're simple ingredients that you can make with your children at home.
We thank the RGV Food Bank for their partnership. The cooking lessons will resume in January. If you would like more information on the classes, contact the Parental Involvement Assistant from your child's campus. Reporting for Edinburgh CISD, your district of choice, I'm Delia Ramirez.